What is up? My name's Conrad, and this is Radworks. Today we're going to be working on the Z32, so I'm going to be showing you the best budget brake upgrade that you can do for basically freezies or like a couple $100. What I mean by that is we're going to be putting on some Brembos. All you need for this big brake upgrade is going to be set your Brembos from a G35 or a 350Z, set brake discs from a 350Z or G35, and then we're just upgrading pads, so we got some Hawk pads for that. Now, tools-wise, you're going to need a 9/16 bit, and then a size 22 socket to deal with these chunker bolts. Now, for the sake of this video, I've taken off the fender on my 300ZX. I think it's going to be much easier to show that off. So, first things first, we take off our TE37. Now you're probably wondering, you already have Brembos. What's the deal? Psych! Not only do I have TE37s, but I got some Fembros on here. Previous owner decided to shave off the Sumitomo logo and then slap on gold paint and a Brembo sticker. So, gonna get rid of these Fembros. This also tells you how smart the previous owner was. These are NA discs, so that's nice. So all we need to do is take off the caliper, brake disc, and then drill out brake caliper mounting points with the 9/16. It'll be a little bit big, but it'll be just fine because, you know, a little bit big is better than too small. All right, let's get to it. Start with the bolts back here. 19, not 17. Oh, I'm a dingus. Put your Fembro back on. Tell him, sorry, you didn't mean to do that. Tell him you really want him back home. 10 mil. Lefty loosey. Down. Pro tip, use the flare nut tool. One of these guys. $10 from Harbor Freight. Fembro off. Oh, dear God, those are extremely heavy. Oh, where did that bolt come from? That's concerning. So your biggest thing that you want to do while doing this one is make sure that you're straight. You might be contacting the dust shield a little bit here. So once you tap these tabs down, make sure it's nice and straight so you don't have any problems. That's that. Now we slap on rotor. And we realize that we shouldn't have done that. Pry that back up. Doesn't need to be trimmed, however mine is bent. Alright, perfect. My dust shield was a little bent from me messing with it. Now, on mine, I'm going to be replacing the brake pads. So we'll go ahead and pop these suckers out. Alright. Freaking mosquitoes, bro. Boom. And just like that, we got the Hawks in. Last thing to do is slap this brake light. Now all we have to do is do the other side, repeat that, and we're done. I've got another solution here for my problem solving of Fembros and T37s. So, I was thinking here, best way to fix T37s is to rob the GTR. Now it's not permanent, but it looks freaking good. So let's check it out. Oh, yeah. White Regamasters with the Nismo lugs and the gold Brembos. That's the combo. So, now it'll look proper. Just need to get the T-keys off of the back and then finish up the whole engine work and then properly mounted fenders. This is just so you don't see a black void, but I think that came out really well. Super easy install, and I'm quite proud of it. So, not permanent solution for the wheels, but man, do I love it. So, thanks for watching. Peace out. Catch you on the next video.